That's how excited I am. I can't even breathe. Okay, whew, calm down. Okay, this video it's going to be about a collaboration that I'm doing with my girls that I love. I love you girls. Seriously, thank you so much for being my friends. You girls are amazing, each and every one. All of you girls are amazing and I love all of you. So this is a collaboration with my girls, okay? Patty, Sandy, and Destiny. I'm going to link all their channels in my description box. Patty is Patricia Alonso, Sandy is Innocent Saucedo, and Destiny is Glam Mom Does. All of them are amazing. I love them more. I have more of my friends here that I'm not doing a collaboration. These are my girls since the very beginning. We've been there supporting each other. And well, Patty recently joined the group, but I mean, oh my god, I love my girl Patty. We have so many things in common. I understand that this look is not a look that it's wearable. Like, this is just to express myself in a creative way. So I haven't even planned this look, so I don't even know where to start. Last night I was feeling really down, and today's a new day, and let's see what happens with this makeup look. So the palettes that I'm going to be using for this makeup look is the Sephora Pro palette, and also I'm going to be using the Morphe Dare to Create. Totally forgot to mention this. The look that all of us are creating based on the element that we choose. In my case, I choose the earth element, and there's going to be a lot of green, there's going to be yellows, browns, golden tones. So my look is going to be based on those colors mostly. And like I said before, my look is going to be a bit creative. It's not gonna be like a wearable makeup look per se. So let me get started. Let me stop talking because I know this look is going to be messy. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this white color right here from the Sephora Pro palette, and I'm just going to be putting it all over my crease. I'm just going with the flow here. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. So I'm going to be getting this color right here. Zoom in so you guys can see more or less what I'm doing, because this is going to be a crazy look. Hopefully this comes out okay and I don't regret this look. I'm going to be getting the Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be getting a bit of the brown.
Run free and dive into the sky.
An olive green. So I'm going to be getting this pencil from Vintage that I just got it in my Boxy Charm, and I'm just going to be doing some lines. Oh god, what do I do? Let's see.
Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
I'm going to be diffusing some of the lines. I'm going to be using a darker shade of brown.
Look behind.
going to be getting green.
Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the side.
So I'm just going over the lines. Be getting a brown shade. And I'm going to be putting it in my crease.
Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade.
So basically I'm just getting the olive green. I forgot to make the other little line like this one here. Forgot to make that line.
Going louder, we are all one color, standing.
I'm going to smoke that out. So now I'm going to be getting this shade. It's kind of golden. Okay, and this is from the Sephora Pro palette, and I'm going to be getting this golden right here. And I'm going to be putting it all over. And I'm just tapping. I'm going to be getting the ColourPop Supernova in the color Dragon. And I'm just going to be tapping in some of the areas. Now I'm going to be getting the Stila glitter in the color Gold Cottage. And now with my finger, I'm going to be tapping everywhere in this crease. So now I'm going to be putting some little rhinestones. It's a little bit bigger, and I'm going to put it right over here. On this side. And let me continue putting rhinestones. Can you guys see that? That little dot? Yeah, they're small. So now I'm going to be getting the Supernova shadow from ColourPop. And I'm using the 210 MAC brush. And literally I'm dipping my brush in there. So now I'm going to be using the Dior primer, and now I'm going to be getting the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yeah, I kind of figured it was going to be a bit difficult because of the glitter. So I finally put the eyelashes on, and now I'm going to be putting eyeliner. The eyelashes are not glued very well in this corner right here. Oh well. Let's move on. The liner kind of faded on this side. I'm going to make another line. Because I want those lines to show. So the lines are kind of fading a little bit, so I'm gonna go with the waterproof liquid eyeliner from Kat D. And I barely have. I have to order a new one. Let's put a bigger one. So now I'm going to be getting a little bit of Marc Jacobs bronzer.
Standing in the shade, going.
So for the lips, I'm going to be using the Baby Daddy First Class and Venus Flytrap. Basically what I'm doing is I'm diffusing the color.
Louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
Getting First Class, and I'm going to put it in the center. Guys, I really didn't do my eyebrows. Let me do a little something to my eyebrows. I just totally forgot to do my eyebrows. Overall, I'm very happy with the look. So I highly recommend for you guys to check my girls out so you guys can see their videos. So guys, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you are and you're watching this video. Please, let's give a little love to nature. Mwah. Hugs and kisses, everybody. Ciao.